So let's conclude. Sustainability is not a fad. It's not a flash in the pan. It's known as a mega trend. Our lives, our homes, and businesses are all changing, and there are expectations for change in the future. The purpose of the introductory course is to level the playing field of all the students in the program. We want to equip you with ideas and definitions that will help you move forward in the coursework regarding sustainability. Even if much of this material was review, we hope that you learned a little something about sustainability that you can apply towards your own practices or moving forward in the coursework. Let's review a little bit about what we talked about. We interviewed KJ McCory, and she talked about the history of sustainability, what is sustainability, and what is the long-term trajectory for sustainability into the future. We had a brief lecture on 3 topics that are at the root of sustainability and why it's a pressing issue. By understanding a little bit about climate change, decreasing biodiversity, and increasing population, we can start to see the urgency of sustainable practices. We want to be clear about the pressure points and what are our needs. We also talked to Jerry Walsh, who's leading up a successful sustainability program at Ball Corporation, a massive corporation that has influence over other industries. The sustainability plan at Ball is going global. Jerry's looking at assessment programs from her different facilities to understand which programs are working best for sustainability. She then wants to apply those programs universally over her entire organization. We then had another lecture on the focus areas of sustainability. We could talk about energy conservation in a building, but we also want to think about embodied energy in all products. How much energy does a product consume through its life cycle? You could think about renewable energy, you could think about waste management, water conservation, and so much more. We also went into some of the tools that sustainability professionals are currently using to address some of these issues, like life cycle assessment and LEED certification. As we said earlier, sustainability is here to stay. We're thinking about homes, lifestyles, and businesses. When you take sustainability into account, business as usual doesn't work. In order to be more sustainable, we have to retrofit some of our ideals and our practices to move forward. As a sustainability professional, if you haven't started practicing in your own life, or walking the walk, so to speak, some of your credibility could be put into question. How can you make recommendations for others to make change when you're not making changes yourself? Some of you might have already taken a formal look into your practices or mapped out a personal sustainability plan. But if you haven't, we highly recommend that you do that now. When you think about it, sustainability won't happen overnight. From an economic, social, or environmental perspective, it could take generations to change. A personal sustainability plan is a comprehensive approach to taking action towards your goals of sustainability. You want to set incremental goals along the way so that when you attain them, you can celebrate your success. Oftentimes when people push forward without a personal sustainability plan, they can become frustrated because they move to one goal and they don't know where to go next. With a sustainability plan, you can move incrementally, and once you reach one goal, you can reassess, redirect, and push forward. Examples of personal sustainability plans are posted on the Sustainable Practices website. If you haven't gotten started or you have questions about personal sustainability plans, check it out. In the Sustainable Practices program, you can learn from our teachers, but you can also learn practical information from professionals, just like the posted personal sustainability plans. We hope that you've enjoyed these podcasts. Maybe got inspired, maybe learned a little bit. If you're interested in these classes, enroll now. You can enroll at any time, but when you do, you have to submit an enrollment form and an enrollment fee. Please note that there are 3 classes that you have to take in order to get your certification in sustainability management: organizational change and sustainability, communication strategies and sustainability, and tools and techniques for sustainability. For more information on these courses and more, please go to our website. If you have any questions, the website's a good place to start, but you could always give us a call. Thanks for watching.